This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So whatever the username we give here, it should be unique throughout the Salesforce. So we cannot
Okay.
use the same user ID to create multiple logins. Okay, multiple accounts.
Got it.
Okay, so the username I say Radhika at IBM.com.
Okay.
Okay. It's kind of same thing whenever you try to create a Gmail account. If already username is already taken someone, so you cannot take another, right?
Yeah, right.
Same way. Okay. So just check that. Please check your email. So to confirm your account. So I given my email ID. Let me go to my email to check. See, welcome to Salesforce. Verify your account. Okay.
Okay.
So thanks for signing with the Salesforce. Verify account and the login details are login. How we can log in? Login.salesforce.com. This is a website and
Got it.
username is this one. So click verify. It will ask to set a password. The password is admin123. And the password, the repeat password is admin123. See, it asking the password. It should be 8 characters. Out of 8, one should be letter and one should be number. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And security question. So in which city you born? What is your mother's middle name? So I'll go with the in which city you born. I'll say Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Okay. Change the password. So once we click change the password, so it will take us to a Salesforce system. Okay. So we are into Salesforce system and we are into release this called Winter 20. This is a release.
Yeah.
Okay. So since you know this is the area we do our admin activity, right? So from here we can go to apps, which are the stand. See the previously, if you remember, if you go and click on app launcher, it should come in a grid view, right? It's not like this, right?
Okay.
So if we click view all, the previous how it look like it comes. See, this is okay. So click sales app. Okay. So this is the sales application. It look like how the end user will see his screen. Okay. So this is typically sales cloud. So for people who are into sales, they can use this sales cloud. Okay. So they can they can run a campaign through this. They can create a campaign. Through the campaign, they will get a leads. These leads they can put up into opportunities. Once the opportunity got closed, that convert into account and contact. Okay. So this is typically sales process. This sales process, what I will do, I will take in the end of our training. Okay. Like sales cloud and service cloud, I'll take one two sessions on exclusively how the sales cloud and service cloud will work, like in terms of end user point of view. Okay.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. So this is where we can set all the records. Okay. If you if you want to find any record, whatever the record you created, you can find from here. And this is the where we can go for a Salesforce help document. Okay. So what you want, any support, any help. Okay. And this is the setup. From if we click setup, so it will take you to the setup area where we can do all our admin activity. Sorry. So this is, yeah, this is here. We'll do creation of users, all things we'll do from here. Okay. And yeah, this is the custom notification button. So if any notifications are there, it will show here. Okay. And this is the user, whatever the user ID I created, that user profile related. Okay. So we can log out and it's a display. So display, what is the display format? Confi. Yes. So if you want to go to our older version of Salesforce, that is classic. If you switch, if you click here, it will take you to the classic version. Okay, and remember,
Right.
I'm not going to teach you on Lightning. I'm not going to teach you on Classic.
Yeah,
Okay,
classic.
I'll teach you
Right.
Lightning. I'll teach you on only
On the
Lightning. Okay,
lightning. Yeah,
yes, because every day now all the customers, new and old customers, everybody using Lightning only.
lightning
Okay,
only. Yeah.
yes. So whatever we learn here, the same thing in Classic. Okay, but maybe options where, see, if here setup means this is icon. Okay, if you go to Lightning, if you go to Classic, the setup looks like different. Okay, see,
Yeah,
setup is
but it's all same.
same, everything is same.
Mm-hmm.
So switch to Lightning experience. Okay, so let me set up a user level time zone. Okay, and language, everything.
Mm-hmm.
So click on settings. Okay, so from here we
This
can
we have
change.
to do every time.
No, first time whenever you created login.
Okay. Okay.
This is the first time we have created login, right?
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
have to change the time zone. Not every time we log in into the system.
Yeah.
No. Okay.
Right. Right. Right.
That day
Yeah,
I
because
forget that. Yeah, that day we did
we
same
were
thing.
forgotten. We forgot this username and
Yeah.
password. That's
Yes,
why I
yes.
think. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let me change and
Mm-hmm.
done. Sorry. Next, go to the setup. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. From here also, org level, change the time zone so that it will be on. From here, go to company information. First time when you take any arc, try to change the time zone because it's flexible for us.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Just 1 second, I'll have some water and come
Mm-hmm.
back. 1 second.
That's okay.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Hello.
yeah, yeah. Are you
Yeah.
able to hear me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Just click on edit. So from here we can change the time zone to plus 5:30 in Kolkata and change the currency also Hindi INR and click save. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
about change. Okay, so we have done some basic settings. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now let's start our project. So let me open draw.io. So from here onwards,
Mm-hmm.
now now the scenario. Okay, let me
You
explain the
creating.
project.
Yeah, you showed me the process last time.
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is the company name called Reliance Digital, or we can call some maybe anything. Can call Lot Lot Mobile. You maybe heard about this Lot Mobiles in India, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll go with the Reliance Digital only. The name is familiar, right? Reliance.
Yeah.
So, Reliance Digital. This is the company. Okay. So this company
Mm.
mainly they are into uh, they are having their own manufacturing unit. Okay.
Okay.
1 second. 1 second. Okay. So this company they are into sales mainly. Okay. How they are selling the product
Mm-hmm.
means So they are selling product called electronic items. So electronic item is TVs, fridges, washing machine, ACs, everything, all sort of electronics. Okay, and they are having their own manufacturing units. Okay, so this is
Mm-hmm.
manufacturing. Let's say this is the manufacturing unit. Okay, so from here they are manufacturing the products, electronic products, and they are selling these products. How they are selling the product means, so they are having their own stores, like stores called Reliance Digital Stores across this India. Okay, so
Mm.
across India in major cities. Okay, so now how the products are transported from company to stores means, and they are having their own transport mechanism. So the dealers are there. Okay, the dealers will take care uh,
Okay.
transport. Okay, so they will take care of the transport. So companies
Mm-hmm.
transporting the product from company to stores. Okay, so now they have stores. Okay, they have recruited the employees for sales and HR, all the departments. They have the
Mm.
employees. Okay, now in the stores they have put up all the products. So they need to pull up the customers, right, to do for sales. If sales is if sale some sale has happened means they have to do a lot of
Mm-hmm.
marketing, right? So
Okay.
Reliance, this company have what they have done is they have done a lot of marketing stuff. Okay, so they have done so many paper ads, so many Facebook,
Mm-hmm.
maybe social media ads, television ads, radio ads, and some hoardings. So they have done a lot of marketing. Through that marketing, people came to know that so there are in our cities, major cities like in metro big cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune,
Mm-hmm.
Mumbai. So the stores called something Reliance Retail Store is there. If we go into the store, so we can find a good deal, like a good products for a good price. Okay, so like that
Mm-hmm.
they have done their branding. Okay, now people have started walking to the stores. Okay, and they are
Mm.
buying the products. Okay, so they are buying the product means sales is happened. So companies getting profits. Okay,
Got
so
it.
this is how typically they are selling their products. Okay, this is how their sales process is running, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This is the business. To this business, they decided to use Salesforce. Okay, so before Salesforce, how they are used to maintain the data means they are used to maintain the data in terms of saving in a local hard disk, local by using MS Office, or maybe through
Mm-hmm.
emails, or maybe by maintaining some books. Okay, maybe if they're doing billing, so they are doing some other third party softwares for billing. Okay, or maybe sometimes they are writing on books. Okay, so different things they are using, and now they want everything on one platform called, and they have
Mm-hmm.
decided
Mm-hmm.
to use Salesforce. Since Salesforce is into CRM industry, so
Okay.
they
Mm-hmm.
decided to go ahead with the CRM product called Salesforce. Okay.
Got it.
Now, as an admin, now we want to implement Salesforce for this company. Okay. So here, this customer has two choices. Okay.
Mm.
By default, Salesforce has given an application called Sales, right? Sales
Mm-hmm.
Cloud. Okay. Okay. So whatever the requirement is, they can go ahead with this Sales Cloud. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
this customer is telling, okay, I don't want to use the standard one. Maybe I'll pick up few standard things wherever I need it in my business process, but please implement from the scratch.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are going to be implement Sales Cloud for this company. Okay, Sales Cloud.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So first thing what we have to do, we have to create a app for this company, right?
Mm. Okay.
First thing, if you want to start any project, first what we have to do. First, we have to create an app. Okay, the app means like this app, like sales app, like these apps. Okay, okay, like these apps, like the sales app, marketing cloud app, service cloud app. So I want to create a something app called Relay for this company, Reliance Digital Sales app. Okay,
Okay.
so how to create an app? Just go to setup. Just go to setup.
Mm-hmm.
From quick find box, you can enter app or we have something called apps here. See, apps, app manager. You have to go to app manager. If you don't know
Okay.
this navigation, if you forget, simply what you can do, you can type here app.
Mm-hmm.
That's they have given quick find. So it's very hard to remember all the navigations, right?
Right.
So go to app. So app manager, I just click on app manager. So now system is showing all the standard apps which Salesforce has been provided, like sales app, marketing app,
Got it.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what I want to do, I don't want to use this one. These are standards. So see, standard one we cannot delete. We have only option to edit, right? We have only option to edit.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to create a new Lightning app. So click on new Lightning app.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what is the app name you want to give? I want to give the app name called Reliance Digital, right? Reliance Digital. Okay. Reliance Digital.
Mm.
So app name is the end user how he is going to see the app. This how.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This how. And what is the developer name means developer will use and system will use this name. Okay. Okay. System will use this name in terms
Okay.
of
Okay.
programming.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So whatever the name you have given, if you simply click tab, so it will by default it will take the name whatever they have given. But
Mm-hmm.
here space is the right Reliance space digital I given. So space will occupy with underscore. Okay.
Developer name with always underscore.
Yes, always. Not always underscore. Okay. Let's say
Mm.
you have given only Reliance. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. And if you have given anything Reliance space
Mm.
digital space sales space app. So whatever the spaces you are given, right? Those
It will
spaces
take
will
as
have
an
to
underscore.
underscore. Why? Because
Got it. Got
in
it. Mm-hmm.
programming, uh,
Mm-hmm.
space will not accept, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now the description, whatever the description you want to write.
Yeah.
So this is this is
And description is necessary, mandatory?
no, not mandatory. It's not a mandatory at all. I'm just writing.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. For Reliance Digital. And this is an sales app for Reliance Digital. Okay. Now app branding means app
Mm.
branding means their logo, company logo. So generally
Mm-hmm.
in real time, we'll get this requirement from the company. We'll get the logo. Okay.
We will get. Okay.
We will get the logo. And this name also,
Mm-hmm.
they will suggest us what name we want to
Got it.
write here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what I did here I just downloaded a logo called Reliance Digital. I just kept on my
Mm.
desktop. Okay. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
I use this logo. So just
Mm-hmm.
click on upload. Okay. So use Reliance Digital.
Mm-hmm.
Logo came, right?
Okay.
If
Mm-hmm.
you want to clear, just clear. It will go. And again you can upload. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Now you can change the color. You can change the color means what is the color? You are going to change the
Got
color
it.
code. Let's say this one. Oh, on top there is a color, right? This one.
Mm. Okay.
You can change like this. Background color you can call
Mm.
that. Okay. So in app launcher, it will look like this.
But
Okay.
it didn't show the colors.
Once we create, it will show.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Let me come back. Okay. So
Got it.
whatever the color, let's say, let's take
Mm-hmm.
it will not reflect here. It will reflect in the when we created, when we are going to see that time it will show. Okay.
Okay.
In the preview, it not show here. Once we
Mm-hmm.
created, final output it will show. Okay, then click next. Okay, next app options. App option means, okay, how you want to navigate in between the navigation style. Generally we'll go with the standard navigation. Okay, so I don't want to go with console, we'll go with the standard navigation. Okay, 100 all the projects on standard navigations only. Okay, so next, so whatever the app you are creating, so you can use on only desktop, or you can use on only phone, or you can access on both. So I want to access on both, right? I want to access, means end user can access this app from everywhere, like from any desktop or any phone. Okay.
Can you repeat, where did this applet come from? This new Lightning app?
So you're doing simultaneously practice.
No, I'm just.
Okay. Okay, no issues. Let me close. Let me close. Cancel. Are you sure want to leave the Nightling app?
Just wait. I got this where you changed the color. Okay.
Oh, color one you were asking?
Yeah. Till the color one, I got it.
Okay.
I got this where you changed the color. Where,
then click next.
What was the next step? Yes.
Then click next. That's it. Click next.
Okay.
Click next. Okay.
Okay, then this
and
comes. Okay.
Yeah, I just selected a standard navigation, and to which
desktop and
it
phone.
has to desktop and phone. I want to. Next, setup option. Okay, setup option means this is. So do you want to have setup access, setup, the service setup, and developer console, and edit object? So these kind of full setup you want, or you want only service setup? That what is the option? Okay, you want full setup, or you want to have service setup? I want full setup. Okay, then click next, then click next, and utilities, just click next. Okay, and this is a mandatory whenever you created any app. Okay, just select at least available one of the item. I just select and add it. Just select and add, and click next. Okay, I will tell you why we do it in future. Okay, so you are creating a app, right? So to whom you want to give access? Okay, to which users you want to give access? Means users means will assign profile, right? Every user will have a profile, right? So what is the profile of this user? What is the profile of my user? Let me see. Let me go to users. So users. Okay, so what is my username? My username is Radhika at ibm.com, right?
Okay.
So what is the profile I got? I had a profile called system administrator, right? So now whatever the app I am creating, if I want to get an access to this app, okay, at least myself I need to give access, right? So select system administrator profile so that I can access this profile, right? I can access this app. So what is mean by, if you want to give, to whom you want to give access? So means if you want to give access to someone,
I have to give permissions.
Whatever the user ID has profile, that profile you assign here. Okay, understood?
Okay, so there is no drag and drop option. I have to copy paste, or what? How do you do it?
No. You have to select. You have to select. Add. If you don't want, select and edit. Right. No, you cannot paste and you cannot copy paste.
Okay,
here.
just select from whatever option is given. Okay.
Yes, select here.
Okay.
So and add, then save and finish.
But these are the like the positions. You if there is another user which I've created, and if I want to give permissions to that user, how can we give?
That we'll discuss in security.
Okay.
Okay. Now the app got created here, right?
Just one question. I'm sorry.
Yeah, tell me.
Too curious.
No, tell me.
So see, you now you're giving a lecture, okay? What if I don't get anything? While I'll try, because I was meanwhile you were telling everything, I was trying to get into my developer edition, which I'm not able to every time.
Okay.
So I don't know what password I gave, and it's not basically I'm not able to get through. Uh, so the question was, how will, like, are we recording
Yes.
this, or
See,
we
see,
are
that's what.
recording this and you'll give?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. I came to your picture. Let me explain you. I got your question. Okay, I got your question.
Mm-hmm.
So you are trying to say that I don't know, since it is a lot of practical, like here and there you are
Yes.
removing.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So one, you are doing a lot of things, and I am not able to remember, right? So
Right.
so this is more on navigation, right? Not just
Mm-hmm.
theoretical. It's more on practical. So my entire
Yes.
training will be like this only. So your question is, how can I practice? Okay,
Yeah.
if I am following you, I'm not able to. That's where I'm
Mm-hmm.
recording everything. Okay, so my
Mm-hmm.
sincere request to you. Okay, so just concentrate on session. Okay, just concentrate on session. Once we
Okay.
are done with the session, I'll share the
Mm-hmm.
recording to you. Okay, I'll
Okay.
share
Okay.
this
Perfect.
recording.
Perfect.
So then
Yeah.
you can play the recording. You can play the record, and
Yeah. And
you can parallelly practice.
I got it. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Okay.
I answered your question. I think so, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'll give you the recording. See, I'll get the recording after some time, like 2-3 hours. I'll get the recording. Okay, so
Okay.
once I get the recording, I'll upload it to my
Mm-hmm.
YouTube channel. Then I'll share with you. Just share your email ID to me. Uh,
I will do that.
yeah,
Can I write it on the chat so that you take it?
yeah, you can do that.
Mm-hmm.
And one more
Okay.
thing, from here
Yeah.
onwards, I think so they will not interact with you and me. They will interact with you, but everything, yeah, this is there. So what we can do, possible, I'll share my email ID to you on this. I'll drop an email ID here, and uh, regarding the training schedule and everything, what we can do,
Mm-hmm.
if you are interested to share your number, you share your number. I'll share my WhatsApp number, so that if
Okay.
any delay in if I'm trying to connect in 10-15 minutes delay, and you want to
Got it.
to skip one day training, and I'm not
Mm-hmm.
available for some reason today, so we may
Mm-hmm.
communicate for easy
Got it.
communication. If you are
I
okay,
got it.
then share it. Otherwise, no issues. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. No worries.
Okay.
No worries.
So now let's continue our thing. Okay. Okay, I noted down. I'll send a text
Yeah.
email to you straight away. 1 second.
Okay. Okay.
Not this one. Okay, I just sent it to you. Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
just reply to that, so that I'll also save in my inbox.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay, now,
Yes.
so we have created app, right? We have created app.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have created app. So see, all the standard apps you cannot delete.
Mm.
Okay, you can only edit.
Okay.
But whatever the custom app we have created, we can delete and we can edit.
Okay. All of the lightning apps we can, like the
Not lightning
uh
app, not lightning.
I
You
saw
can
the
say
Reliance
yes,
system.
yeah, lightning and
I got
classic, whatever it may be. So these are all standard. Okay, so whatever we
you.
created,
Mm-hmm.
this is a custom
Got
lightning
it.
app. Okay,
Got it.
custom thing we can delete and we can edit, but the
Mm-hmm.
standard one we cannot delete. We can only edit.
Right. Perfect. Mm-hmm.
So let's go to our app. Let's click on view all. Okay, see the Reliance Digital came, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Just click Reliance Digital. Okay, see the color. This is the color we added.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, this is the color. Accounts. If you click all
Got
accounts, Salesforce has given some dummy data, right? So that
Mm-hmm.
okay. So if you want to do, see the logo, whatever the logo we have created, it got uploaded here, right?
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to do any sort of changes here, so simply you can
Mm-hmm.
you can go to the app manager. If you want to change the logo and if you want to change the color, everything we can do from here. Okay. Just go to edit, click on edit.
Mm.
Okay. So if you want to clear the logo, you can clear and you can upload one more time.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Okay. So
Mm.
whatever you want to do, we can do. Okay. Let's just okay.
Got it.
Save it. Okay. And you want to change the color, we can change again. You can do it back. I want this color, green color. Okay. Save it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then app options, we can put all the things, whatever you want, and you want
Got
to
it.
go the user profile. Okay. So like this, we can edit the app. Okay, whichever you want.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is how we can create a Lightning app. Okay.
Mm. Got it.
Okay. So the next topic is, uh, do you want to continue tomorrow? Weekend, right? Do you want to
Uh,
continue? I don't have any
sure.
issues. I can connect. I can connect.
On a Saturday?
Yeah, Saturday, Sunday also I can connect. If you want to connect, you can. I will connect.
Okay. 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 No worries. I will let you know because I'm traveling today. I'll
Okay.
be there. Yeah, I think I can spare 1.5 hours. I'll let you know. I'll mail it to you
Yeah.
or beat anything, right?
Yes. 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 And
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
tomorrow. Tomorrow, are you sure? Do you want to connect tomorrow?
Um, I think I would want to for an hour. I can spare. I think.
Yeah. Yeah. If you confirm me, so that,
Mm.
that I will also
Yeah,
plan
yeah, yeah.
accordingly.
I will. I will.
Tomorrow.
Like tomorrow you said for Saturday, right? So
Yes. Yes.
it's night there. Uh, give me
Confirm
some
me, do it.
time. I will.
Yeah.
I will reply back to you for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. You can do that.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
one more. Yeah. One more thing, Radhika. Maybe
Yeah.
sometimes I'll not take exactly 1 hour. Okay. Maybe sometimes
That's
I will
good.
take more than. Yeah, I will take more than 1 hour. Sometimes maybe I'll
Mm-hmm.
take 45 minutes, 50 minutes. But I will see the content. Okay. I will have some
Okay.
agenda. So for particular to that day, we are able to cover the topic. That's good. Okay. I'll
Mm-hmm.
go with the
Okay.
content wise. Okay. Not
Okay.
time space. Okay.
Okay. Okay. No worries. That's all right.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you. I'll share the recording to you. I have your email ID. So I'll
Okay.
upload and I'll share the recording to you. Okay.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.